We have reached Balboa, and before Panama Canal transit, the vessel has to drop anchor in Balboa. So we are eastbound now. So we have already anchored today morning in my watch. So now we are at anchor and we are expecting bunker barge. So bunker barge will be coming tomorrow, and you can see the vessel all around. So many vessels are there. There are all types of vessel already anchored here. So these are oil tankers, general cargo, containers, chemical, and many types of ships are there. LPG is also there. LNG vessels are also there. That Hyundai ship, that is container vessel. So many types of ships are there. All the ships are waiting for Panama Canal transit. So day after tomorrow we will be transiting at 0100. So that will be early morning. So that will be after my watch. So I'll be standby for stations. Then we are proceeding to US. So this is the thing, and I'll try to make videos in Panama Canal transit. So stay tuned. Just the thing is, I cannot take this camera on deck because of the fumes on deck. So this is a LPG tanker, so I cannot take this camera on deck. So we'll see if we go in dry dock. I'll try to make some videos. That time the ship is gas free, all the tanks are gas free, so that time I can use the camera on deck. So let's see what can be captured, what all things can be captured. So stay tuned. We are about to pick up anchor in another 3 hours. So pilot will be coming on board at midnight. So it's now time is around 2100. So I'll be calling pilots in another 1 hour, and I'll be calling our crew for preparing the gangway and picking up the anchor. So for that we need to prepare engines, so I will call engineers 1 hour before the pilots come on board. So that will be the 1 hour notice for preparing main engines. So I'll be carrying all the pre-departure checks. After that we'll depart and we'll go for canal transit. I have just now confirmed from Flamingo Signal, that is in Balboa. So I have called on VHF to these guys, and I have confirmed.
Station, motor vessel resource.
So this is the same way I have called these guys, and I have confirmed my pilot's boarding again. So pilot will be boarding at midnight. So I'll be preparing bridge. After some time I'll be giving call to all the guys, and then we'll start. Before captain comes on bridge, I have to prepare the bridge. I have to keep the engines ready. So we have dropped the anchor, so I have to keep people standby for picking up the anchor. Once captain comes, so we'll start picking up the anchor, and then we'll proceed for canal transit. Pilot is delayed for some time now, so I have come into my cabin to take GoPro so I can fix it on the bridge, and then I'll go to standby. So till 2 o'clock I'll be standby for canal, and then after that next officer will come. He will take over from me. Okay, so now I'm going. I'll take GoPros. So I have taken this GoPro power bank, and I will just put it on the bridge. Good morning. So time is 7:30 and we have crossed the first locks and we are transiting for second lock. So my watch is starting in another half an hour, so I'll just get ready and go on bridge to relieve another duty officer. Okay, so I'm all set to go on bridge. Okay, so let's go. I'm on bridge. I'll be taking over this watch after some time, so that another duty officer can go, he can have a rest, and then he can come in the evening time. So this is the itinerary, and this is the Panama. So we are inside the lock gate now. Lock gates are already closed. We are inside the first lock now, and the gates will be opening in another 15 minutes. So they are filling up the water right now, and then we will be passing to another lock and then to another lock. So total we have 3 locks in Agua Clara lock. So this is the new Panama Canal lock gates. Another side, on the other side there we have the old Panama Canal transit area. So this is the new dredged one, and the breadth is also more. So all the vessels which are new, which has a bigger breadth, are going inside from this locks. So now they are filling up the water. Once the water is filled up, they will open the gate. They will open that gate. That gate will open, and then we'll be passing on to next lock gate. So this is the plan right now. So we are finally of Panama Canal. And Panama is there, Panama is already there, so we are proceeding towards USA. And here the vessels are anchored also. This is the Cristobal side of the Panama, and the vessels are waiting here for transiting. So these vessels will go there, they will do the transit, and then they will go to the Balboa side. So right now we are coming from Balboa side to the Cristobal side. So now I am going for lunch. Second officer is already here in the watch. See you in another video, another vlog, another day, another month, or whatever you can say. See you.